This is a how-to on entering your time into the ADP app. Here you are at your home screen after you've signed in. You will look at the top tabs and you will find the tab that says Time Card. Click that, then you will enter into your time card calendar. Here you will get a pay period summary of the total hours you've worked, and you will get to see all of the days within that pay period. So then you will scroll down to the day that you have worked. And on the right, on the left, it will be highlighted in blue, the day that it is. And on the right, you will see a blue button that says Add New Entry with a plus sign. So you will click on that right button, Add New Entry. Here it will bring you to the entry page. You will put your end time, which is when you started working. Here we'll say 7 a.m. and your out time is when you have stopped to have lunch. So here we'll say 12 p.m. Underneath that, you will choose the job. You will click on the box that says please select, and it will bring you to a drop down of all of the different jobs that are currently being worked on. For now, we'll pick Wilmington. And then at the bottom, you will see a button, a big blue button that says save. You will click that save button. And this is your time entered for the morning. And then at the bottom again, you will hit the save. And now you will see that you've worked 5 total hours for the week. In the afternoon, when you are ready to enter in your time that you've worked after lunch, you will go down to your day, make sure it's highlighted in blue, and to the right, it will say 5 hours, since that's what you've worked so far today. You will click that button on the right that says 5 hours with a blue arrow, and then you will see this page again. Now, right under the box that has the hours that you've worked this morning is a button that says Add New Entry. You will click that button. And then it will bring you to the same layout that you've done before in the morning with entering your time. So after lunch, we'll say was 12:30. And we worked until 3:30. Underneath that, again, you press the please select box, and we will choose Wilmington again since we worked there in the afternoon. The big blue save button we will press. If you want to edit your hours, if you see a mistake and want to edit your hours, you will click the circle, the blue outline circle to the right of time entry with the 3 blue dots, and you will have a chance to either edit or delete. If you edit, it will bring you right back to the page that you were at, and you can manipulate your time or where you worked. If you would like to delete it, you can also choose to do that. But make sure after every change that you click the blue button on the bottom that says save. And then once again, you can look up at total hours to make sure that what you're entering is accurate, and press save one more time. Now you will see the pay period summary where you can keep track and make sure that the hours that you are entering are the hours that you have worked for that pay period. Thank you. I hope this helps.